What if I told you the person making $200,000 a year could be completely broke, while the one making $50,000 is quietly building generational wealth? It sounds backwards, right? But here's the truth. Income is just the speedometer. Net worth? That's the actual destination. Today, we're breaking down why chasing net worth beats chasing income every single time. Stick around. By the end, you'll know exactly how to step off the financial treadmill and start building real wealth. Let's clear up the confusion. Income is what you earn. Salary, freelance gigs, side hustles. It's the money flowing into your life each month. Net worth? That's your financial snapshot. It's everything you own minus everything you owe. Think of it like this. Income is the water pouring into your bathtub. Net worth is how much water actually stays after you pull the drain plug.
High income with high spending, empty tub. Modest income with smart saving and investing, slowly filling up.
And that tub? That's your freedom.
We've been sold a story. Earn more, live better. But here's the trap. Lifestyle inflation. You get a raise, so you upgrade your car, move to a bigger place, eat out more, buy gadgets you don't actually need. Suddenly, you're making double, but your expenses double too. You're running faster, but going nowhere. It's a high-stress, zero-equity hamster wheel. Studies show most sudden wealth cases, lottery winners, pro athletes, viral creators, go broke, earn enough, but because they confused cash flow with actual wealth. Now, let's talk about why net worth changes the game. Net worth isn't about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and how hard that money works for you. When you focus on net worth, you shift from spending to impress to investing to progress. Every dollar you save and invest starts compounding. It's not linear, it's exponential. At first, it's boring. Then, it becomes unstoppable. Net worth gives you options. It means you can walk away from a toxic job. It means you can handle emergencies without panic. It means retirement isn't a distant dream, it's a math problem you're actually solving. Income can vanish overnight. Layoffs, recessions, industry shifts. But net worth? That's your financial fortress. Figures. Alex makes $180,000 a year. Sam makes $65,000 a year. But he's got a $900 car payment, $4 grand in credit card debt, a leased apartment, and barely saves a dime. His net worth? Negative $20,000. Sam makes $65,000, lives below his means, drives a paid-off used car, invests 20% of his paycheck,
and owns a small rental. His net worth? Over $200,000, and growing.
Who's richer? It's not even close. Alex is one missed paycheck away from disaster. Sam has built a safety net of investments. Sam is building a life that doesn't depend on his next job.
This isn't about judging lifestyles. It's about recognizing a simple truth.
Income is loud. Wealth is quiet, and loud doesn't pay the bills when the music stops. So how do you flip the script? First, track your net worth monthly. App, spreadsheet, notebook, doesn't matter. What gets measured gets managed.
Second, automate your investments. Pay yourself first.
Even 10% into low-cost index funds beats trying to time the market. Third, attack high-interest debt like it's on fire.
Credit cards and personal loans are net worth assassins.
Fourth, and this is crucial, freeze your lifestyle. Got a raise? Great! Invest the difference. Don't upgrade your life until your investments upgrade you.
Wealth isn't about deprivation. It's about deliberate choices.
Income makes you look successful. Net worth makes you actually successful.
Stop chasing the paycheck. Start building the portfolio.